In this video, I will show you how to change your language on your iPhone 16 Pro. So to do this, first you just want to go and open up the Settings app. Now after doing that, scroll down a bit and go and click on General. Now if your phone is in a different language, it's just the one at the top right here, right under the battery. And then here what you want to do is scroll down a bit and then you'll find language and region right here under a keyboard and above TV provider. And then here you have your preferred languages. So you can see I have two of them. Now you can just click add language. Then here add whatever language you want. For example, I'll add French. And then when you click on something, you can see, would you like to use French as your primary language? Then you can click on, for example, use French. And now you'll see they are going to change my iPhone language to French. And you will see that now everything is in French. So now you know how to change your iPhone 16 Pro language. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.